Hey, is Donald Miller a valued educator or is he a scam? Learn the truth here. So Donald Miller is an influencer and mentor to millions of people, but is Donald Miller legit or is he a scam? Everyone by now has heard the stories of people becoming rich, wealthy, and very successful online working from home, but are they true? And how about digital course creators and YouTube wizards? Are they legit? Are people like Donald Miller for real? Or are they a scam? So, well, in this video, we take you inside the mind of one of them, Donald Miller, to show you how you can make money online and work from home, and how huge the opportunity to make money online and work for yourself actually is in 2022. Tube Money Masterclass is a course that teaches the ins and outs of YouTube automation and creating a cash cow YouTube channel and how to start a profitable channel on YouTube without making the videos yourself. See how because of the completely nonsensical and irrational rumors of online wealth generation, whether to be YouTube, making money on Google, how to make money with YouTube, how to make money with YouTube without showing face, YouTube cash cows, or so many other works or ways to work from home. There's actually more opportunities for those who wish to purchase any of these because of the doubt and because of the haters.